GM guys, welcome to my channel PNL Pirates. If this is the first time you're coming across my video, make sure you subscribe, like and share. Make sure you drop a comment and tell me whatever you think or what's your opinion, or if you have a suggestion. So today I want to correct a certain trend that is going on that I myself was the one that created it, and it's quite not going well the way I expected it to, and people are getting me very wrong. So some days back I was able to flip $5 to $75, and which I posted the process from when I started the trade, and the whole thing sparked a lot of reaction. I got over 150 DMs of people telling me they want to flip their money. Some say, oh, I should give them money, they can recreate what I did. So it was quite very funny, because I was trying to explain to them that you shouldn't focus on flipping, focus more on learning how to trade, because you don't even know how to trade. So how do you want to flip? So many DMs like that, people telling me, oh, I have $20, I have $50, I have $5, please, how do we go about it? And I was like, yo bro, learn how to trade first, learn how to compound. If you are able to hold that $20 for a month or 2 months plus, I didn't blow your account, that means you've been able to acquire the strategy of protecting your capital. If you know how to protect your capital, then that means you know how to manage your risk when you're entering a trade, because definitely you hit a stop loss, but you're able to come back again and take a trade and hit your stop loss, hit your take profit and recover your losses. So I've been explaining to people, and it seems like a lot of people I don't know, people are just getting it so wrong. Now the reason why I'm doing this is because so many people are complaining that, oh, I don't have money, I need money to trade, I need money to trade, I need money to trade. Meanwhile, you can just start with $5. You can start with $10 portfolio and start trading. Now here's my own story, right? When I started trading, I didn't have money, no support. I'm not staying with my parents to give me money. I just knew that I want to learn how to trade, and I started with $10. I was able to manage the $10 for a month plus. 1 month I was trading, I was hitting stop loss. I'll come back to the $10, hit stop loss, maybe go. I'll have a drawdown of $4. I'll start trading again. 1 week, 2 weeks, I will be able to up it to $10 again. It has just been back and forth. But one of the things I was proud of was I never blew my account. After 3 months, I blew the account. But I was able to protect the capital for a very long time. So that's why till date, I am proud and very proud and arrogant to say that if I can count how many times I've blown my account, and those times that I blew my account, that I blew my account, was because there was a manipulation on the markets by MXC, and the app was lagging. When the app is lagging, you can't do anything. You can't set a stop loss, you can't set a take profit. And that time I was trading new listed token. So the essence of what I'm just trying to explain here is that with your 50 cents, with your $1, with your $2, with your whatever is in your portfolio, you can start something. There is no need to be giving me excuses that I don't have money. And funny thing is, I funded 3 people accounts yesterday, because I was up by about $85. So these guys say they can trade. I should give him a try. I said, oh, I have a target that I'm trying to reach. I want to reach $100. I said no. And he said they know, but I've made some profit now. I should just help them, this and that. I said, okay, fine, no problem. Send me your UID. I send it. I send the other guy. I send the other guy. For $5. Just the way my friend funded me too. I funded them, and they assured me that they were going to give me a report, this and that. I would have share you the screenshot, but I don't want to. I don't want to cast them. So I gave them the money yesterday evening. As at this morning, they've blown the account. because they said they've watched the strategy video I posted yesterday, and they understand everything that they can do it. It's not just to accumulate $1 profit. I was just laughing. So this is why I'm here to make this video, to tell you, if you are a newbie watching this video, please focus on learning. Join a lot of classes, join spaces, acquire knowledge, sleepless nights, learn, and be smart. So that's just that's just the information I'm trying to pass here. Please focus more on learning instead of flipping. Don't follow me to flip. If not, you will blow your account. I beg. I don't want to make anybody come and say, "Oh, Shiba, now you make me blow my account." Or now you I follow. No, I'm not advising anybody. If you must flip, that means you know what you are doing and you are ready to lose that money. You understand? So that's just my point. If this video was helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, drop a comment, whatever you think, just drop it on the comment section. Let's debate, let's talk, and see you until the next one. Make sure you give me a follow, Shiba Inu on Twitter. If you have any question, just check the link. There are different links on the comment section. My Telegram, my X, my Facebook, whatever, TikTok is there. Just click there to contact me if you have any question about trading. And I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye. Bye bye. Shiba.